Good morning, everybody. This is Miss Cruz again. And the class that we have today is going to be phonics. So, everybody get ready for the class and listen carefully to the instructions. And I hope everybody can be really interested in the class for today. So, make sure that you have everything with you. Make sure that you have your pencil, that you have your notebook, eraser, and make sure that you follow the instructions and pay attention to the class. Okay, let's start. The title for today's lesson is syllables, and the student objectives is the following. Recognize and understand what a syllable is. And the definition that we have is a syllable. It's a unit of a speech that has one vowel sound. Remember what the vowels are? We have 5 vowels: A, I, E, O, and U. A word has many syllables as it has vowel sounds. And here we have 2 examples. The first one is clue, and the vowel sound that we have is O. And we only have 1 syllable because we only hear 1 sound of a vowel. Cabin, cabin. We have the sound of letter vowel A, and we have the sound of vowel I. So that's why we have 2 syllables in total. Remember, the numbers of syllables equal the numbers of vowel sounds, not the numbers of vowels. Make sure that you remember this and keep it in your mind. Okay, now that we are on page number 3, we are continuing talking about syllables. Now, the instruction that we have on this page is that we need to read the words in the word box. Then we are going to listen to the vowel sounds. And then we are going to decide how many syllables each word has. And finally, we are going to write each word under the correct column. Okay, here we have the word box. And the first one that we have is lava. Biannual, rain, volcano, breeze, permission, barometer, thunder, threat, lightning, participate, and eruption. Okay, we are on page number 3, and let's continue about syllables. On this page, we are going to read the word in the box. We are going to listen for the vowel sounds. Then we are going to decide how many syllables each word has. And finally, we are going to write each word under the correct column. Make sure that you follow the instruction, please. Let's read the word first. Lava, biannual, rain, volcano, breeze, permission, barometer, thunder, threat, lightning, participate, eruption. Now that you hear the words, you are going to write down how many syllables each of the word has. If you only have 1, you're going to write it down right here under the column. 2 syllables word. Then you have 3 and 4. Make sure that you complete this chart in your notebook. Page number 4, syllables. When a 2-syllable word has 2 consonants between 2 vowels, B, C, C, B, the word usually divides between the 2 consonants. B stands for vowel and C for consonants. C consonants and B vowel. So we have an example here. Comfort. You see, the word comfort It's O, it's a vowel. M is a consonant. F, it's a consonant. And O, it's a vowel. So the word is going to be divided between the two consonants. And the same thing is going to happen to apple. The word is going to be divided between the two consonants. Now, read the instruction. Rewrite the words and draw a line to separate the syllables. Stormy. You see that the word stormy, it's divided between the two consonants. The same thing you have to do it for helmet, ranger, shelter, and wishbone. There are always a section, and one of them is that you do not divide blends or digraph. Okay, we are on page number 5. Syllables. It's the title for this lesson. Many multiple syllables word has prefix or suffix. This word can be divided between the prefix or suffix and the base word. And here we have 3 examples. Start, it is divided between the prefix and the base word. Then we have temple, and the word is divided between ten, which is the base word, and full, which is the suffix. And the same thing is going to happen to preview. Preview is the base, view is the base word, and pre is the prefix. Now, pay attention to the prefix and suffix and base word. Rewrite each word on a turn line between the syllables. Darkness, pre-cook, grateful, misprint, recount, postword. Look at example number 1. Darkness. Dark is the base word and ness is the suffix. Remember, prefix, it comes before the base word. Suffix, it comes after the base word. So with this instruction, you need to complete this exercise. And finally, the last page, which is the homework instruction. The first thing that you need to do is you need to read the information. Make sure that you read the information carefully and that you understand everything that you just read. Okay? The second thing is that you need to copy all the information in your book, in your notebook. Make sure that you copy the information. The information have to be clear, and make sure that you complete the exercise, which is the next step. Complete the exercise, and make sure that when you copy and that you complete the exercise, make sure that your work is neat and tight and clear, and your handwriting have to be very nice, very organized. Make sure that you use small letters. Make sure that you don't that you use the capital letters in the correct orders, and make sure that everything is very nice. Okay, when you finish, make sure that you send me a picture to my WhatsApp with this information. So remember, this work have to be very neat and tidy. Okay, and I will see you tomorrow, and I hope that you can complete the work, and let me know if you have any question. Okay, and I will see you tomorrow. Take care of you and your family, and may God bless everybody. See you tomorrow. Bye. Okay, these are the instructions for the homework. You need to study the information. You need to copy pages 2 through 5 in your notebook. Complete the exercise and make sure that your work is neat and tidy. I will see you tomorrow. You have a pleasant day, and may God bless you and your family. See you tomorrow then. Bye.